This is Rishwant here. Today I'm back with a new episode. Today I'm going to talk about a disease which comes in some birds. It could spread to animals and sometimes can spread to humans. Do you know what disease it is? Well, you guessed it right. It's bird flu. So today I'm going to talk about bird flu and how it spreads to humans and animals. So let's zoom in. Bird flu, also known as avian influenza or H5N1, is a highly contagious disease which occurs in wild aquatic birds or migratory birds. The name of this disease causing it is type A avian influenza. The disease could spread by saliva that makes other birds sick and even spreads to animals and make them sick. When a wild aquatic bird is infected with this disease, they carry it in their intestines and respiratory tract. It could spread by saliva or feces. When a bird spits saliva and it lands on the ground, then birds come to investigate it. For example, duck, turkey and chicken come to investigate it. The virus quickly takes an opportunity to jump into a new host and making them sick. The future of these infected birds will be worse of avian influenza. But you don't know that avian influenza is of two types. The first type is low pathogenic avian influenza, also known as LPAI, and the second one is highly pathogenic avian influenza, also known as HPAI. When a bird gets infected with LPAI, they show no diseases or no mild illness, only mild signs such as ruffled feathers and a problem in dropping eggs, or sometimes the disease will not be detected. But when a bird gets infected with HPAI, they will show diseases and have mild illness and could be fatal for these hapless birdies. We've learned about bird flu and how it occurs. But there's one question. Can it spread to humans as well? Well, bird flu is a zoonotic disease, which means that it could spread to animals to humans. If a person gets infected with bird flu, then they will show diseases like cough, fever, sore throat, and sometimes even diarrhea. And if left untreated, then they'll show severe diseases such as pneumonia and SARS. The disease will spread and multiply inside the human's body when enough virus gets into the person's eyes, nose and mouth. The bird flu virus can be easily detected in the air or in the dust, and the person breathes it, the bird flu virus will get into their body. Or if a person touches something which is infected with this virus and keeps their hand on their eyes, nose and mouth, that makes them sick. And if a person is vaccinated, there are no chances of bird flu virus getting in them. And this disease could spread to person in one sneeze or close contact with friends. And another question, how do we prevent bird flu from spreading and can stop bird flu once and for all? bird, then visit your doctor ASAP. Trivia time! Did you know the first bird flu disease came in Hong Kong, China in the year 1997? And if the virus mutates and becomes even stronger and bigger, then it might cause a pandemic. So today's episode ended. Hope you had fun. Subscribe for more awesome videos. For now, bye. My video is wrapping up. Don't forget to hit the bell and leave a like on this video. And subscribe for more awesome videos. For now, bye.